Hi, I'm Ashley Summers and I am teaching science this summer. Overall, this summer, students learned about a lot of flight and falling. So they started off with learning just the physics of falling down, where we designed ping pong kind of devices to slow their fall. We then went into volcanoes and sort of why we put airports near volcanoes and how to survive a town from eruption. And then we went into how birds fly, and then we went into aerospace and how to protect a device from falling into an atmosphere with extreme temperature and pressure. And then we finished up the summer with looking at soda rockets and shooting them 100 feet into the air. I definitely think STEM focuses in a college access program are super important just to open students' eyes to the possibilities in college settings for STEM. I feel like there's so many little niches that students could really get into and kind of find their people in their niche. Like I found mine in my science teaching program from pharmacy as my other little niche, and it's really important for students to just kind of know how much is out there and how many opportunities are available. I'm really hoping students can take from my class some of the background knowledge behind why the world is so cool and sort of the different ways that the world works, and that there's a science for everybody. I tried to give students a little taste of lots of different kinds of sciences. I like to say that science is that subject where there's something for everybody, and so I was just really hoping to pique an interest in every student in at least a little blip of science to kind of get them interested, and hopefully they can explore in the future some electives or something that interests them.